our YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how you can easily customize and create beautiful and professional variation switches using our wonderful plugin TH Variation Switches. First, I will tell you about the variation switches. Normally, when you create a WordPress website and a variable product, this is how it will show. Now, just me explain you what is a variable product. So in WooCommerce, we create simple product and a variable products. Variable product is a product which can be available in different variations. For example, as you can see, this shoe is available in different colors, different sizes. These are the images. Whenever you create a variable product, it will show like this. If you want to design it like this, you can do it by using our professional plugin TH Variation Switches. You can add beautiful switches variation in your shop page visit area, single product page, archive page, etc. Let's see how you can customize and create variations for your e-commerce website. First, go to your dashboard, download and install TH Variation Switches from WordPress.org. Go to plugins. As you can see, I have already installed TH Variation Switches. Activating it. Now go to products, attributes. First you have to create attributes for your product. Add a new attribute name. Leave the slug empty. Enable archives. Select the type, which is color. Click on add attribute. Now I am adding another one, which is size. Keep the slug. Select the type. For size you can select button. Click on add attribute. Now another one, image. Select the type image. Add attribute. After adding the attributes, click on the configure terms link. Here, add new color name. For example, red. Leave the slug. Select the color from the color box. Click on add new color. Same blue. Leave the slug empty. Choose color. Now another one, black. Add new color. Like this, you can add unlimited color. Now navigate to attributes. Click on image configure term. Add your images here. Upload the image. Use image. Click on add new image. Another image. Add image. Choose your image. Add new image. Like this you can add the image variation. Like this you can add the image attribute. Now again navigate to attributes. Click on size configure term. Add your size here. Keep the slug and description empty. Add new size. Like this. Now go to products. All your attributes are added. Click on add new product. Add your product name here. Add your description. Now select variable product from the product data. Like this. Click on attributes. Select your attribute from here, which you have created earlier. Like this. Select the attribute values. Check the box used for variation. Save your attribute. Now another attribute. Click on add. Select the values used for variations. Save your attributes. Now go to variations. You can add variations manually, or you can click on create variation from all attributes. I am selecting this option. Now click on go. WooCommerce will create your all the variations. As you can see, variations here. Now look here. Add the variation price, manage your stock from here. You can upload an image like this. For all variations, you have to add the variation price and the managed stock value and the image like this. Now click on publish. Go to the product. As you can see, your variations here. Now I will show you some advanced options which are given in our TH variation switches plugin. Click on the TH switches tab. As you can see, these are the basic settings. You can enable or disable the tooltip. You can enable or disable the default style sheet. You can also choose the shape style, which is rounded or squared. You can convert the default drop downs to button type. Click on advanced. These are the display settings. You can show the attribute title. You can add a separator between the title and name. You can choose the image size from here. You can add the width, height, font size for your attribute. You can hide or blur the attribute which is not available. From this button you can save your changes, or from here you can reset all the changes. For adding attributes in your visit area, go to Appearance, Visit, drag and drop the filter product by visit in WooCommerce sidebar area. Select your attribute type from here. Now go to your shop page. As you can see, color swatches here. Like this, you can add more attributes in your shop page visit area. I hope this video tutorial will help you in creating product variations for your website. For more video tutorial like this, please press the bell icon and subscribe Theme channel. Thank you.